Welcome back. In this video, we're making Cinnamon Toast Crunch churros. Into a small pot, pour in 1 cup of water, 1 stick of unsalted butter, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Bring up to a boil over high heat. Off the heat, 1 cup of flour all at once. Quickly mix until you get a smooth paste. Once the mixture has cooled about 10 minutes, incorporate 4 eggs one at a time. Using a churro maker or a piping bag, pipe onto a parchment paper-lined baking sheet, and then just place these in the refrigerator for 1 hour. When they're firm, it makes them a lot easier to work with. Into a deep fryer they go, at 350 degrees, for 5 to 6 minutes. For the cinnamon sugar coating, we're using Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust. Toss the churros in the cinnamon sugar mixture while they are still hot. Serve with a vanilla cream sauce and a chocolate dipping sauce. And there we have it, Cinnamon Toast Crunch Churros. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.